There we go.
Right here?
Huh? Do what? Oh, you're messing with all my settings.
Sorry. You want me to drive your car right or wrong?
I want you to drive it. That's what I want.
Whatever. I can just drive it? What you want me to do?
You can drive it around the parking lot.
Press right here? Okay, so you did, wait, it's gonna beep at me if I don't put my seatbelt on?
You should have put your seatbelt on first. That's driving. It doesn't matter. If you had a driving test and you bagged out without putting your seatbelt on, you automatically
It's not a
fail.
driving test. I'm just doing this for fun.
Okay, well come on. You want to be a character for YouTube?
No, you want to be a character.
Come on,
if
man.
this was a driving test. Ew, am I going on YouTube? I don't want to go on YouTube. Why is the air off?
For full efficiency. There.
You ain't got no gas? Yeah, honey,
That's max. Look at the range.
Honey, okay, so I'm about to say, can we turn the air back on?
Okay, see, now you're trying me. When you talk
You
like
talking
that.
about some fuel, whatever.
Just go in circles for now.
I could definitely drive your car in a city, not the highway. What school are we in?
All right, floor it. Go straight.
Ooh, I like this. Can I floor it across the parking lot? Or should I go back?
You should be careful because the terrain's not completely flat.
Yeah, that's what I asked. I was gonna do it without your permission.
Okay.
I definitely could drive your car. Like if you said take my car, go to Walmart, I could definitely do it. Your car is not as scary as you perceive it to be. Okay, I want to floor it again. That wasn't a good one.
All right, just be careful because he came in here.
I'll wait today.
He's only gonna go straight, so. Or she.
Messing up my flow, girl. Get on the sidewalk.
I'm just gonna have to wait till she get out of here.
Yeah, I am. Yeah, okay. I'm sorry. JT was stuck on my head. I'm in this caddy.
All right, you're good.
All right.
Go straight.
Okay.
Make it right. Let's see how your turning is.
Is this a roundabout?
Yep. But it goes straight.
Why does car just sit
I don't know, just
they bumping coochies up here?
no, go straight.
Oh, okay. Don't put that in the YouTube video.
Yep. Not sure.
You are right though. You have to have a very light foot because I'm barely tapping this thing. It's already at 20 miles per hour. This, yeah, so you do have to be very light. You can't be heavy footed.
All right, all the way to the stop sign. Go. Make it right. All right. All the way down.
I can do it?
Yeah. I'll tell you when to let go.
There's some dips, honey.
All right, slow down. Make a turn right here. Right here. Now go straight. All the way. All right.
This is fun.
You can turn, make a left. Now you see what it's like owning a Scat. Do you see why people like them?
Yeah, but you gotta really know what you're doing. Like, I see why people beef up.
All right,
if you just be willy-nilly.
Let's see what time we got. 7 minutes. Was that long enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just want to see how it was.
All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Just gave her a little taste of what it's like to be a POV Scatpack
Who is
owner.
her? Who am I?
My fiance. That's gonna be in the title of the video. So that's self-explanatory.
No, you still need to introduce.
But appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on the video. And Mike on SRT out.